ankle stretches with a ball. So here you can get all the aspects of the muscles of the ankle, the front, the back, the side, and the side. And most effectively, this is going to be the sides of the ankle, more so than the front and the back, but you certainly can do all of them. And as you go through this range of motion, it feels fantastic on the ankle. So the goal of using a ball is that you want to be able to move your foot and be able to stretch all the aspects of your foot. So first, let's start off on what's a good stance to support yourself as you stretch. So you certainly can have a chair and support yourself or go up against the wall, but thinking of your foot as a tripod, you want pressure on your big toe, pressure on the baby toe, and pressure on your heel. So you have that tripod position holding you securely while you work on the other foot. Then you also want to be able to slightly bend your knee, and you can rotate your knee outwards. So again, you're giving a much more secure position as you stretch. So here, I'm going to stretch the back of my heel, the back of my calf, so that you're getting some mobility in that muscle here. This is not the most effective one. I would go to a wall, or I would hang off of a stair to really get that calf. But that's an easy one to do as you're working with your the ball. But then you can roll backwards, and now you're stretching out the front of your ankle. And so here you're getting all the muscles that cross over that joint. You're getting the tibialis anterior and stretching that out. And the more that you point your toe, the more you can get a better stretch in that ankle. And you're just rolling through and finding those tight spots and holding it. So this is a nice mobility stretch to do before you're going to go exercise. And then from here, this is what I like about this, is that you can get the sides of your ankle, and it's not compromising your knee or your hip. If you were to do it on the floor, you certainly can do that too, but it's not as easy, especially when you roll in your ankle. But here, you're just trying to open up the joint and stretching those ligaments on the outside of your ankle. You can then roll it around and go to the medial aspect of the ankle. So spending a good minute working all of these muscles and tendons really help to open that up. It's easy, it's great to do before any walks, any demanding exercises on your feet, just to keep that mobility and getting them in a ready state to go exercise. So this is a great stretch to do for rehabbing your feet, and just on a regular basis. And so if you don't have a ball and you want to figure out how to do this without a ball, you certainly can do that too. Same concept is you're stretching and moving with the heel in front of you. Then you can point that toe. I would suggest doing this without shoes, because that way you're feeling exactly what's going on with your foot and you're not confined because of that shoe. And then from here you're going the outside, and you're just trying to feel what's comfortable for you, and then but you're doing some movement. You're trying to open up that joint. You don't ever want pain or pinching. You just want to be able to feel some motion. So here, as you're rolling out your ankle this way and you're stretching the medial aspect of those ligaments, it's just a gentle moving right there. Not much can be done, but you are stretching it, and that way it's ready. If you have too much laxity, this is something you want to talk to your doctor about. Like if you constantly twist your ankle, there may be one of these that you shouldn't be doing at all. So that way it's always good to be in good communication with your doctor, so you're doing the right thing for your foot. And then I would suggest doing the same thing on the other leg.